Who's ready to get away in a Vegas? The 24-3 is the new floor plan of this amazing R.U.V, and this setup is just as fun as the Vegas is to vacation in. First, check out this campsite dinette for two. How cool is this? On to the other trick feature of the 24-3, and it starts with the sofa, which looks great like it is. You can picture yourself here, right? But pull a lever and here you go. This is a Murphy bed. I knew you'd love this. There's even more seating. These captain's chairs swivel, and there's a pedestal table so everybody has a place. And right above, you'll find the drop-down overhead bunk. You can put this down with Rapid Camp Plus. You can control everything from here or your phone, such as lights, slides, your auto gen start, and your HVAC. How about we head to the kitchen over here on the campsite? All the tools you need for meals big and small are here. The single bowl sink has a cover, you get your prep room, and then there's the 2-burner gas cooktop. Right under the stovetop is your convection microwave. The 24-3 is not going to short you on storage. No way. Look at this. An entire row of overhead cabinets. Right across, a number of drawers, even large closets. So the bath is in the back, and you're going to be surprised by the storage back here. Soaps and hand towels fit great under the sink here. Then go ahead and put the big towels in the cabinet back here. You have a shower with skylight and porcelain toilet. So up front, the redesigned dash has easy-to-read digital gauges. You have steering wheel controls, and the touchscreen radio is going to give you Sirius XM satellite radio, Bluetooth connectivity, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. Every passenger is going to make the most of this dash flip-up workstation. The Vegas is powered by a V8 with 350 horsepower and 468 pound-feet of torque, plus you get an 8,000-pound hitch. You'll enjoy spending your time away outside. You're under this power patio. Maybe you're cooking up something on the grill that you connected to the exterior propane connection. You can always opt for solar charging, and if you want to stay connected while you're on the road, the WineGuard Connect 2.0 4G hotspot and Wi-Fi extender are standard. If you really want to deep dive into the Vegas 24-3, then head on over to thormotorcoach.com.